Everybody, today we're going to be flooding the baby's room with basketballs. So let's get into it. Just let the baby right there. Let's begin. This is gonna take some time, so bye. Right, I think I added a lot. Also, I love the fact that the baby starts to actually drown when he just gets dropped into the basketballs. Boom, let the structure, or let all the basketballs fill up the house. Let's add some more. Might have lost a baby. Oh, never mind, that's right here. There was a glitch in the process, so yeah. I'm just gonna say the sponsors. Video is sponsored by Flip-A-Clip. Yeah, you've seen all my videos that was made with Flip-A-Clip, and to be honest, Flip-A-Clip is the most easiest website to ever be to make videos, because with Flip-A-Clip, it is easy, but it can glitch sometimes because, I don't really know. Yeah, but still, well, download Flip-A-Clip because they are great and I really support them. Bye now.